everyone! Today I want to talk about future transportation. I think transport will be very different and exciting in the next 50 years. I imagine that in the future, we will have flying cars. They will look like normal cars, but they will be able to fly high in the sky, just like in the movies. These flying cars will be very fast and safe. They will run on electricity or solar power, so they will be eco-friendly.
And best of all, they won't cause any air pollution.
I also think we will have super high-speed trains that can travel underground or on special magnetic tracks. They will be incredibly fast and comfortable, helping people travel across countries in just a few hours. These future transportation methods will solve many current problems. For example, flying cars will help us avoid traffic jams in the city.
And clean energy will significantly reduce pollution, making our cities so much healthier.
It's amazing how much smarter everything is.
Yeah, no more getting lost or waiting around.
And it's so peaceful too, right?
Travel feels so effortless now. It's a really exciting thought, isn't it? Definitely. The future looks incredible. I really hope we get to experience all these amazing vehicles.
Me too, Chloe. Imagine.
It's gonna be a fantastic future for transportation.
Absolutely. See you next time.
See you next time.
Hello. I imagine that in the future, we will have amazing ways to travel.
It's so exciting to think about. What kind of future transportation do you imagine? First, I imagine we will have self-driving cars. They will be very smart and safe, and they will drive by themselves.
This will definitely help us avoid accidents.
They will run on electricity, so they will be clean and quiet.
I also think we will have hoverboards, like in the movies.
People will stand on them and fly easily in the city.
Hoverboards will be small and personal too.
I believe future transport will make our lives much easier and more fun.
It's an exciting future. Wow.
Hi everyone. I think future transportation will be incredibly fast. I imagine we will have Hyperloop trains that travel in tubes at super high speeds. They will be even faster than planes. These trains will be very safe and comfortable.
They will help people travel from one city to another in just minutes. They will run on clean energy.
And won't cause any pollution. I believe transport will be much more efficient and convenient for long distances. It's amazing to think about how fast we can travel soon. I hope to experience a Hyperloop train someday. Clean, fast, and connecting us more than ever. Join us in imagining this incredible future.